In this short video, I'll show you how to unpack an object using n8n. Firstly, say for example, as my mock data is, it has name and email and we would like to have this at the top level. So go and insert a node. We'll insert the trigger manual first, right? And add a new one. Just type in code on the search box and input this, and this should pop up. Erase the current codes inside and let's input a new one. So the script that we'll be using is this. So just follow through, space, this symbol, space, name, comma, space again, email, and space. Click the outside one right here, space equals, space, this $sign, JSON dot user, and this symbol. Press enter and type in return this time, space, the symbol again, space, name, comma, space, email, space again, and outside the symbol, insert this one. There you go. Once you've inserted this symbol, you can just go ahead and close the node and connect the dots basically. So first, the code is the last one. The mock data that we're going to unpack is in the middle, and basically just connect the dots. This, let's connect like this, and run it using the test manual workflow, if you will. There you go. Let's go ahead and test it, and that should work. There you go. You can view the output by double clicking on the code that we've made, and at the right side, this is the output. So yeah, the user object is now flattened and ready to use anywhere else in your flow. Now you know how to unpack an object using n8n. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.